Welcome! Today I'll show you how fruit snacks are made, step by step. Stay to the end and subscribe for more factory tours.
We maintain the highest standards of cleanliness. Our associates meticulously sanitize their gloves.
As you can see, this machinery processes thousands of gummies per hour, all while maintaining the highest levels of safety and quality.
Filtering helps deliver a smooth bite and clean appearance.
Parameters like temperature and sweetness are tracked constantly to keep every batch consistent.
Automation helps catch defects quickly, while operators verify results on the floor. Samples from every run are tested before shipment.
Finishing prevents sticking and helps deliver the signature bite.
High-speed lines still depend on careful monitoring to keep quality steady.
Once deposited, controlled cooling helps the gummy set evenly without defects. Seals are checked continuously to protect freshness on the shelf.
Quick checks on the floor help catch issues early without slowing production.
Distribution is planned to keep product fresh from the factory to stores.
Every case is labeled for traceability, so batches can be tracked end to end.
All right, bring it back slow. Easy, easy. Okay, set it down right there. All right, easy now. Watch your clearance on the right. Okay, set it down right there. All clear, bring it back.
Okay, easy now. Bring it to the third bay on the right. All right, I got it.
And that's how they reach everyday homes, ready to snack.
If you found this video informative, please press the like button now. For more factory-related videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and let us know in the comments which factory you want to see next.